Okay, so let's get our horse and rider working correctly. We want to make the horse gallop, and to animate the horse here in iCLONE, we will go over, and these are included with iCLONE 5 and I believe in iCLONE 6 as well. So we'll add this little animation clip, and we have just a starting of a gallop, and then we will go and click this to add more galloping, but notice it's very short. Let's look at the timeline here and see what's happened. We have two clips that have been added down here, a short one and a long one. We want to extend this particular galloping since it's a looping. We're going to turn on looping, and we're going to just drag a bunch of those out. And so now you can see it will continue to gallop in place, which is what I want. Okay, so we've got the horse moving correctly. Now we want to add our rider, Jungle Girl, and we want to link her to the horse. So we will link her here, and let's see what happens. Notice she moves a little odd, a little strange. So let's change that link point. Instead of the spine, let's go to the bone root of the horse, and now she will simply stay with the horse. Now, of course, the horse is running in place, so it's not apparent she is attached or linked in any way. So you can see she is attached, she is linked. Okay, so let's go back now. One thing I like to do is add what iCLONE calls reach targets, and these are simple objects that can be anything. I chose a cone shaped and colored it yellow, but I've attached these reach targets to the horse in various places for various effects. So we can have a rider on back here with her, and we can have her, the rider, linked to certain positions. So let's go ahead and see what happens now if we link and use a reach target. So if we use a reach target for her, let's bring up the animation panel for the Jungle Girl avatar, and we will select the right hand, and I will select this particular reach target. I'm also going to turn on rotation, so it will affect the rotation. So let's go to the horse, right hand, there's the target there, and notice we can move the hand, and we can also rotate the hand to position, and the hand will stay with the horse since that reach target is attached to the horse. So notice there, you can see that. So that works really good. So we'll we'll do a reach target for the hand, and we'll do the feet as well. We have a left and right foot, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And just so you know, the reach targets are designated as dummy objects. I've made them dummy objects because a dummy object will not be rendered, and you can control them with the Control D key on your keyboard, so they can be turned on and off as you're working and animating. But when you get ready to render, since these simple cone shapes, primitive objects are set as dummies, then they will not render or cast shadows, which helps a great deal. Okay, so we've got reach targets now in place for the feet, and let's see how it moves now. Okay, feet stay with it. Don't like the way her midsection here is moving. I'd like it to be a little snug to the horse, so we can add another reach target, which I have there, and we can set that. And so I'll go ahead and set that reach target for her midsection as well, and let's just go ahead and do that. Once again, we make sure Jungle Girl is selected, midsection here to here, and then we can adjust that target as well, which is named mid-reach. There we go. And hopefully it's not as painful as it looks, and that should work fine. There we go. We'll just do that. Now she's riding snug to the horse. Very good. Okay, so that's a basic way to set up horse and rider using iCLONE.